Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to use the external potentiometer to control the water flow, to control the frequency, to control the speed in MPPT mode with the solar panels, because sometimes farmers, users, they need to control the water flow because sometimes the water flow is too big. Now I will teach you how to do it. It's very easy. For example, the upper limit frequencies. This parameter P01.07 up limit frequency channel. We default is 0. We need to choose 1. Okay? Now we start the drive. You see, now the frequency is 0. So we can turn on the volume, the potentiometer, to control the motor speed. You see? Oh, sorry, you see? It's disconnected, so it doesn't work. Now we need to connect it. Okay? You see, now we can control the speed, right? So you need to collect the potentiometer with the 10 voltage, AI1 and GND, 3 wires. 1, 2, 3, 3 wires, 10 voltage, AI1 and GND. Now I turn on the 50 Hz, so it can easily control the frequency by the potentiometer. Thank you.